Hi, my name is Kerrigan Norris, and this presentation is going to be on the doctoral programs of physical therapy at UNC Chapel Hill and Campbell University. T stands for Doctorate of Physical Therapy. Campbell and Chapel Hill have many similarities, but also some key differences in their two programs, and their respective web pages reflect these differences. To compare the two, I'm going to use three criteria of ease of information access. Basically, how accessible is this information? Is it something you have to hunt for, or is it pretty readily available? The second is just the aesthetic appeal of the homepage. Is it visually appealing? Does it draw you in, or does it not? And overall website organization. Basically, how is text laid out in the web? First thing I want to look at is the website organization for the UNC Chapel Hill site. I'm going to look at four different criteria when considering the organization. The first is headings or titles. The first title that catches your attention is the Doctor of Physical Therapy. It's bold, it's blue, it easily catches your attention, that's well done. But the subtitles of mission and program philosophy are small. They're not colored, they don't stand out terribly from the body of the text. This could be done a little better. The second thing I see are tabs. So the tabs read nicely both vertically and horizontally from left to right and up to down. This is visually appealing and it makes it easy to find information. And the last thing that's kind of nicely done is that the very first line tells you about physical therapy, what it is, and then again in each section, the first line mission statement, it very clearly states what the mission of the program is, and so on. So overall, the webpage is decently organized, but it could be stronger in areas. On, we continue to look at website organization, this time for Campbell University. Same deal. The very first title, Doctor of Physical Therapy, same first title as the last website. And bold is the first thing that catches your attention. Notice how it's a larger font. It really stands out from the text, even though it isn't using other colors. The tabs are very similar as well. They read up to down and left to right, both vertically and horizontally. And the first line tells you exactly about the program, kind of, its mission statement. If anything, I would say it's slightly more effective though. It's more persuasive. It very clearly tells you the mission statement right off the bat, and its very first subtitle is basically why you should apply. This is definitely a more persuasive webpage. And the organization is clear. There's good use of white space, subtitles called out more. It's overall a much better organized webpage. The criteria I'm going to consider is just the appeal of the homepage. When you first look at them, what catches your eye, how is it visually stimulating? For Campbell, they have less color than UNC Chapel Hill page. There's only a couple pops of orange. So this could definitely be something to be improved upon. But there are huge bold titles that quickly draw your eye to their main points. And their points really are persuading you why you should apply, why you should take this program. They effectively use space well, it allows you to kind of quickly drop from point to point and find relevant information. The Chapel Hill page, it does use color better. It has an interesting picture at the top, kind of one of their historic buildings that they're for. But the font's difficult to read. It's very small. The information is packed together, some of it's irrelevant. It just overall needs better organization. The information is just not as appealing. It kind of turns you away. It's just kind of jammed together. So of the two, Campbell is definitely superior. criteria considering which website is the superior of the two is information access. So when considering how accessible is the information this webpage is presenting, a little bit of this overlaps with organization and really webpage appeal. The more specific elements of this are, the tabs. So the tabs of both web pages are incredibly similar. There's the about section, admission section, requirements, that sort of thing. They're almost word for word identical, and I think they both do a really good job of clearly stating these things. The wording of the tabs is clear and concise. It very early on states why you should apply to each program, and this area can be slightly superior. But both do this fairly effectively. And they both answer common questions. And really that's what the tabs are doing. They're giving you information on really the first questions to ask when considering evaluating these programs. So overall, both of these websites do allow for pretty good ease of information access. In conclusion, I decided to rate each university webpage in these three different criteria, as well as a fourth category of just overall persuasiveness. I did it on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being very poor and 10 being perfect. Just again, organization, Campbell University's webpage, they did this a little bit more effectively. The text was laid out in a more clear manner, whereas Chapel Hills was a little bit more jumbled and organized, maybe more difficult to read. For aesthetic appeal, Chapel Hills was superior. They had a good use of color and visuals that made it far more appealing than Campbell's webpage. Accessibility of information, both were fairly decent. There were definitely some areas that could be improved upon, but they did this pretty effectively. And for overall persuasiveness, Campbell's was slightly more effective. Both are pretty decent. Again, there's area for improvement. There are definitely pros and